All right, so now we're going to do a framing, or kind of a, it's called margin in the software. So when you go to the software, you'll see the word margin. Okay, margin is the button that is the middle left. Okay, so it's this button here. Okay, and when you click it, a new window will pop up and you'll see a big green screen. Okay, and the default home on your CNC machine is kind of down here in this corner. Okay, and so what you're going to see is it will go from here and then it will move over, and we can change that home. Okay, and on your software you will see something that says do margin, and when you hit that, you'll see it blinking, and on your screen it's going to ask you, do you want to make sure that you've got the probe in? And since we did install the probe, you'll just say confirm, and then the machine is going to go over and it's going to go down and it's going to hit the little test button, right? The light will come on, and then what it's going to do is it's going to go over, and a little red dot is going to trace out where your probe is, or where your file is going to be. Okay, if your file is off your piece of wood, that means you're going to have to move your origin. Or if your wood is too small, you might have to get a new piece of wood. So you'll see it moving around. Okay, see the little red dot. So now it goes off. Okay, so now mine is off. It's going to go over my little clamp. Okay, so that means I will have to move my origin or get a bigger piece of wood. Okay, all right. So how you're going to do that is in the software. Is you will go set origin. Okay, and notice where it stopped. Okay, because it stopped at a certain spot. You can actually say that's going to be my new origin. I'm going to set that as my current position. Okay, I want to, or you can actually go in and I'm going to change my 10 to a 1. I am actually going to move my axes until my little red dot is just barely on my piece of wood. Okay, that is going to be my new location for my home. Okay, and so that is going to help make sure that I'm going to be on the piece of wood. So now I'm going to go back to my software, and I'm going to go to set origin, and I'm going to say current position, and it'll say offset 0, 0. That means that dot is always right. Okay, so I'm good. I'm going to say OK. And if I want to test it again, I can do margin. Okay, and I can do margin again. Okay. Now, remember in the software, you might have moved the piece of wood. It might not have been right at 0, 0 on your screen. So you might have to have the offset maybe a negative number for it to actually be right there where it starts. So you might have to adjust it a little bit. Okay. Okay, but now it's actually on my piece of wood. Okay, It's just barely on the piece of wood. It would probably make me happier if I got a bigger piece of wood for this, but it'll work. All right, so there we go. All right, so now what you're going to do to run this job, okay, there's a special trick you've got to do, okay, is you're going to go down here to the bottom and you'll see a little thing that looks like a gear, okay. You're going to click that, okay. You're going to make sure in your screen you're going to see a couple of things. It's going to say scan margin. There's probably a check mark there. You're going to turn that off. Okay. You're going to turn on auto Z probe. Okay. That's going to make sure that it's going to adjust the height and know the height of your piece. Okay. And then you are going to click the run button. All right. Now we're going to watch the machine. Okay. Now, if you heard that beep, the machine is going to tell you a warning. It's asking you to make sure that you're installed the right tool. Okay. And so it says on the screen, have you installed tool number 1? And you have. But not yet, because you've only got the probe yet. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your probe away. You're going to go and find your right bit. Okay. And then you're going to install that bit. Okay. You're pulling down the lever, putting in the bit, and then you're going to say confirm. And the machine is going to go test the length of that bit. Okay. And then it's going to move over and it's going to start your job. Okay, and I'm going to stop it because I've already got this piece done. But that's how it homes, all right, which is pretty cool. Okay, it's because it's already got it zeroed in from the margin. Pretty cool. And that's how you would start most of your jobs. All right.